Oi. Welcome to Cook on Vibe. Alright, it's a little bit different today, people, because it's a serious thing today. Alright, we are in the Blue Mountains. There is no restaurant for miles. There's no shops for miles. We're just in the bush. I've woken up. I'm hungry. The only way for me to eat is to light that up. That's the only way I'm going to eat. Today we're cooking frank and beans. Frank and beans, sausages and beans. They're called Jamaican style. It's quite popular here actually. Frank and beans and a little bread. Because I'm so hungry, I thought I'd just record it. I am so tired, I've got no hairbrush. I'm tired. I've got no cooker. No, there's no other way of cooking. So what on there? See what I got to deal with. But I've got no firewood or no coal. No fire lighters, so we're dep on a mission today, Cook on Vibe. Oi. I need to go and find some firewood somewhere.
Get Miguel's jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why?
Who's McGrill's jerkyard? I'll go to your yard. So let's have a look. See where we can find some firewood.
Louis.
Oh, hold on. Got some coal down there. Why? I'm gonna be honest with you. That's a little bits, and I need some. I need something bigger than that, to be honest. Cook and Vibe. Just let me. So, let's have a look around here. All right. I'm gonna have to cross this. Definitely go across this. Oi. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. You know how the thing goes. Let's have a look around here. Alright. Looking for that something. Ah, there it is. Knew it was there. Like a little bonfire from that other night there. See it there? Why? Yeah, a couple bits there still. I can use that. A good bit there. Sit there. Alright then, Frank and beans can go on. No. Oi. Should be enough still. I'll get some of that little coal up there as well. Why I've got to carry it back now. Okay. Why? Yeah, I'm not going to need that much in there, Kyle. Just frank and beans. They don't take long to cook at all. They get me some extra firewood there because I bun some of the mosquitoes. The mosquits, I call them. Mosquits! Mosquits are out and alive, yeah, so you can see where we are. Our good vibes. There's my coal. There's my fire lighter. Yeah. Our good vibes, man. Beautiful. Oi. There we go. Fire blaze. All right then, seasonings. You see it there, we got a little sweet pepper, we got a tomato, we got some scallion, Scotch bonnet. And here we got some onion cut up, some thyme, put a little bit of black pepper in there. And we've got our chicken Vienna sausages. Isn't me? Chicken Vienna sausages, hot and spicy. And our baked beans. Yeah. So it's our location today. That's nearly ready. So I'm now going to chop up these. Woi oi. Alright people, woi oi. So I guess I'll go and cut up my vegetables now. Yes, zibby. Give them a little wash. Yeah man. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. You know how the thing goes. It takes 1 second and it really does mean a lot. Yeah. Fire blaze, man. Frank and beans. You know everything you gotta have like. I feel like this is a bit of like a foreign influence on Jamaican food. You know what I mean? But you don't know. You need to eat food. And it's quite simple as well.
Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty.
Woi oi! It's cook and vibe, people. So what I've done, basically there's quite a lot of mosquitoes around this part here. So what I've done is the bits of wood that I've already I put on there, I just got them smoking a bit. So like just some smoke comes out of it. Do you know what I mean? To try and keep them away. And we've got our pot heating up there so we can get our cooking oil. Get some cooking oil inside here. Nice. Give that a minute to warm up. We put our seasonings in. Cook that for about 5 minutes. 5-10 minutes. It's nice and soft. And then add the beans and the sausage. Yeah man. So we do it cook and vibes. I'll show you the waterfall after in a minute still. See how hot this is getting so far. Not ready yet. Woi oi. Give it a minute, that's soon ready. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we can put our seasonings inside now. The oil is hot enough. Woi oi! Cook and vibe. Yeah, don't forget to hit that like button. Please and thanks. Woi oi, said that. And go on good. Yeah, flavors them are kick. Time there. Flavors them are kick. So like I say, gonna let that heat up for 5 to 10 minutes. And our beans and our sausages. And then I'm gonna get some bread as well. You see me? Yeah. Oi, oi. Tell me how you feel. All the vibes, the Mr. Green. Tell me how you feeling. We are cooking vibes. We are all the vibes. When they up on the
Seasoning's gonna cook up.
yeah.
I'm gonna slow cook with these because beans and sausages don't take too long, and we know I'm bonnet top. So a nice slow cook to let all them flavours reach out. Why yoy? It's cooking vibe. Yeah, it was cooking a little bit too slow, so take off that. Can hear it now. Yeah, everything just smells so fresh here. Like literally, man, like the onions just smell different. The Scotch bonnet are just well fruity. Yeah, man. All right, I'm gonna get some bread. I'll take you on a little journey of how I get to my location where I'm cooking today. There's the river, and just around there is where we done the bami and fish episode. And then up through here is where we cook frigate chicken, right here. And that's my yard. Yeah. Yeah, man, good vibes. Ain't brushed my hair in days. I'm just fully in nature. Like I haven't been on the internet. I have not scrolled through internet in, I can't even remember. Can't even remember the last time I went on the internet. And then, yeah, I've just been proper like just taking in nature, just recharging my batteries, people. I ain't brushed my hair, ain't been online. I've just been doing this. Cooking. And just holding the meds, working, and all these things. Aye, aye. All right, so these are nice and soft now, as you can see. That's all ready and good to go. So next, we're gonna go in with our baked beans, Grace brand. You get me? Right there. Whoa-yoy! Hey. So now, put all the beans in. Give that a mix around. As so. And then we're gonna go for the chicken Vienna sausages. Let's drain them first. Let's just get the knife and just cut them like so. Yeah. And these spicy sausages give it a nice little flavour along with the rest of the things them, you know. Stir that round and get the other tin of sausages inside. And that is not going to take more than 5 minutes. Yeah. It looks quite good, doesn't it? Yeah. Cook and vibe. Oi. So this is pretty much done. We've got our bread. We're ready. Yazimi. taste time. Oi, oi. And there we have it. Frank and beans and bread. Oi, oi. Taste time. Oi, oi. All right then. Let's go in. Taste time, beans, got all the onion and vegetables, everything there. Good. It's really good. There you go, we finally got some food. Yo, stick my bread in there. Boy, oi. We live in. We got food again. You don't know Cook and Vibe, I might finish off the episode different still. Got a nice environment. Oi, oi.
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance.
Oi, oi. It's the big up section, people. Hope everyone's alright. Don't forget to press subscribe. You know how the thing go. Yeah, man, Cook and Vibe's a natural thing, man. We don't do second takes. We just do it. And if we mess up, we just go on and do it. Because a natural thing, you know what? Yeah, man. Hope you're enjoying the season. You see me? Yeah. Big up blazing bushcraft wilderness culture. It says, wicked episode, brother. Lots of interesting infos and bare good vibes. Enough respect. And that was regarding the Jamaica Food Boss link up. If you haven't seen that, go and check it out. Yeah. And also big up Ingra M. Mac. Yeah, it says, thank you again for all the hard work. Seriously, brother. There's levels and slowly you're going to reap the rewards. Loved it like every time, broski. Thank you, fam. Thank you, my brother, for your support. And thank you for noticing the hard work that I put in. Because I put in a whole heap of work. Yeah, since we've been in Jamaica, it's just been non-stop. And even now, I'm back in the UK. Obviously, I'm still promoting everything for the Jamaica episodes, and they're still running. And I'm just editing. You see me? So, but now, good vibes, man. Big up yourself, my G. And big up everybody watching. Yes. I'll see you next time.